Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to create, organize, and share documents and presentations in Google Drive. We're going to be doing this a ton this year, so I just wanted to give a quick introduction on how to do that. Alright, so first step is once you create your Google account, you're going to go to the search page or directly to the Drive page by going to the link at the top here. Just click on Google Drive. That will bring you to the place that's going to have all of your shared and stored documents. Now, you probably don't have much in here right now. If you haven't been using Drive, it may be blank. So to create a new document, you're going to click on this link in the top left here. It says Create. You have a few different options. You can make a document, presentation, spreadsheet, form. You can add apps like video notes, which you can see here on the right, which is awesome. We're going to use that a lot this year. But for now, let's just try a document. All right, once you create your document, the first thing you have to do is give it a title. So we'll just call it Sample Doc. Once you add a title, that's what it's going to show up as in your Google Drive, so it's important to put that title there. Then we'll just put some text. Once you're done with your document, you can share it with others who want to collaborate, or you can turn it in to me by sharing it with me as well. Okay, so to share, you're going to click on this item on the top right, and you have a few different options. I would keep it private unless you want everyone to see it, but keep it private and then add people individually down here. Now, when you turn it in, you're going to put the email address that I provide you, but also you're going to change this to Can Comment. I don't have to edit your document, but I will be adding some comments throughout the process. Not just at the end. I'll be giving you feedback as you go through with your writing or other presentations. You could also put Can View, but I'd like to be able to comment on this. If you have other people in your group that you'd like to add to the document, which we'll be doing this year, you're actually going to change it to Can Edit. And that way they can go in and they can change the document and add to it and collaborate. Okay, so that's how you share an individual document. Now, how do you get to this form? Okay, how do you go back and change it in the future? Well, when you go to your Drive, typically the last modified document will be at the top. Okay, so up here you'll see Sample Doc, that's the one I just created. I would advise organizing it, and the way you can do that is by class and create a series of folders. So in my Drive, you can see here on the left, I have a ton of folders to try to organize everything in my life. Okay, so I have that. I would advise making a folder just for our class. So I would create, for instance, a folder. Okay, so we have our World History Sample folder. That should show up right above the last document because, again, the last modified is the first to show up. Now on the left, you're going to also see that that new folder you created is in that list of your Drive folders. Now, if you'd like to share all of your documents with me, which may make it easier for you, you can actually share an entire folder, okay, or if you want to share with other people in your group. So what you would do is go to World History Sample, click on that little arrow to the right, and then go up to Share, and it's the same process as before. You just invite people on the bottom here through their Gmail address, say Can Edit or View. For me, I just put it for Can View so that I can go in and see your documents. Instead of you having to individually hand in every one of your documents, you could just put your assignments into there and then let me know when you're done, and I'll go check them out and give you some feedback. Okay, well that's about it. That's a quick intro on how to create documents, how to share them with me and with others in the class, and also how to do some basic organization of your Drive. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm always here to help. Take care.